Hi guys, so I was gonna do a full tutorial on my makeup for today, but I went with something totally simple since I work graveyard and I just didn't feel like wiping everything off. But I am gonna do a lip liner tutorial, like my go-to, using the LA Colors Cocoa lip liner. So let me see. Sorry guys, let me move you guys. So usually I start with outlining my bottom lip, only because I like to overline it a little bit. It looks kind of funky right now, but give it a sec. I go with top, and I bring the line in instead of, sorry, I had a little cut in time. Anyways, I do that, and then I do it to the other side as well. And sometimes I do go over it just to overline it a little bit, only because my lips are already kind of, I have nice size lips basically, but sometimes I do like to overline them, make them look a little more juicy. Anyways, that's how they're gonna look when they're overlined. They do look kind of funny to me, but I'll fix them. So I just do that, and then I fill in the inside. On both. Anyways, you just fill them up a little bit, like in there. I'm using the lip gloss from Bath and Body Works. It's called Flawless Shimmer. I got it for my birthday from my best friend. So I just add it on.
You big buff chested boy.
And that's about it. And if you have to clean it up, clean it up on the sides. I think it looks good. Kissable. Bye!